Hi, this is Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and How to Kill a Kit with Style. I will leave links below to everybody else that's doing the How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. And most of the pieces in my kit, well, everything is left over from last month. I'm doing the same kit this month because I had computer and internet problems and didn't get everything uploaded and edited and stuff like that. But I'm going to scrap these three pictures, and they are from Easter. And I'm going to use, well, I thought the stuff I put in here was summer, and they all have summer titles, but I'm going to use them for spring because that works just as good, especially if the sun is shining. So that paper there on the bottom, oh, and that blue paper there, that's left over from the last layout that I did. I went to put my stuff up and I thought that will go with my How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I was wanting some scraps to go in there. So I wouldn't have to cut into some bigger pieces to make it go farther, like I needed it to go farther when I've stretched it to another month. But that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I like the paper, and I like adding blue, especially with my grandson's shirt being about the same colors that's in that piece of paper. Uh, I'm going to put the one and only one of these that has got somebody facing towards me. He saw me and he laughed and waved to me, but I was taking pictures of him. And if you look close, the picture on the left has a little boy on the left hand side, but if you look on the right, you'll see a little girl climbing up there because Kyler got off and Marissa was taking his place. The others wanted to still, oh, and Jacob got off too. Casey was the one that wanted to keep doing it. Oh, it's been a while. But yeah, Casey was really enjoying it. He was the only one whose legs were really long enough to push it around. So he worked hard to do his enjoyment. And I did push him at first, and then he realized that he could do the pushing where he was at. And so he did it instead. And my title's actually going to be fun, Round and Round, Hello Sunshine, which don't make sense, but I did it anyway. And the reason I did it is because I wanted it to be Round and Round as my title. And then I seen this paper and I thought, I like it best of the papers that I have left. And so I thought, I'll go with Hello Sunshine. Well, I kept thinking of the Round and Round. So I thought, I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. If it don't make sense, it don't make sense. I like it. And I was wanting to put fun on there. And I could have put it somewhere else. But I decided to put it there. And I like it there. So it is there. And that circle up there, that sticker was really sticky. I tried to, well, I moved it a couple of times, just a tiny bit, because it's actually a speech bubble. But I went to move it again and it wouldn't let me. It was tearing the paper all off. So I quit. And that little sticker I put on there just now is So Sunny, and it has different colors. It's all in the kit, and so does that bigger one. And I'm going to pull out one that says Happy that does it, and then one that says This Rocks. So I'm using all the colors on all the stickers. And they were the only ones, well, not the only ones, but these were the majority that did not say summer, because a lot of them were saying something about summer. So I didn't want to use them. I was trying to get the ones that was a little more generic and to go with my springtime layout and actually Easter layout. We are at the park, and if you look at close-ups in the distance in the picture, you can see eggs all over the ground. They don't really hide them when they have this kind of Easter egg hunt, of course, and it's just how fast the kids are. Of course, they divide it up in sections, and the little bitty kids are together, and then the bigger ones, and so on. But we were at the park, and we ran into um, my sister's grandkids, and they were with their great grandma. And so we spent a lot of time with them, and I took quite a few pictures of them too. And I had three of my grandsons with me. Well, they were my only grandsons, and the girls was born then, but they were babies, so they weren't really walking, so they didn't come with me. We had one at my house, an egg hunt, and they got to participate in that. Um, let's see what I'm doing now. Oh, I'm adding another little word phrase. I really like them. And this one is the only one that isn't really colorful. I thought they all were, but I forgot about this one. and it says be someone's sunshine. And since there's so much sunshine for this layout, yeah, it was a really pretty sunny day. It was a little bit breezy, but it was still warm, so it was a nice sunny day. Well, you can even see that that one little girl. Her name's Tiffany. Uh, I said they were with their great grandma, but Becky was there with her daughter, and that's Tiffany there. And her son, I'm sure, was there too, because he's only like a year or so older. But I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, he hung out with some bigger boys, and they were up over on the other playground equipment, and instead of down there where all the younger ones were at. Um, let's see. Oh, I'm trying to add stuff for layering. And there I'm going to add another, yeah, another phrase sticker. And this one says, this rocks. And see that yellow heart? I really wanted to use it. You know, I love the yellow, and it was just going to blend in everywhere that I wanted to put it. It wasn't looking good up there on the cloud. And of course, it wasn't looking good over there by the happy. So I decided to pull out the turquoise blue. I mean, it's a dark, dark, gorgeous blue. And those are Freckle Fawn puffy stickers, and they feel so good in your hands. I mean, they're all nice and squishy, and they don't stick super great, but yeah, I've noticed they come up a lot easier than some of them, but I still really like them. And the Amy Tan ones, uh, they stick better than these do. But they don't feel nothing alike either. Not a thing. The Freckle Fawn ones, they remind me of those squishy balls that you have for exercising to get your build strength up in your hands. Oh, they do feel good. Anyway, I think that's about it. Put my enamel dots on, and I'm going to do some sprinkles. And that paper towel there is from my blending brush, getting the ink off of it. And I got it folded up in the drawer right next to me. And I thought, well, that'll work over all three pictures. So yeah, I laid it on there. And the sprinkling, I used Lindy's, and it's called Bluegrass. So it's a darker green with a tint of blue. And yeah, I thought it'd go really well with the blues that was in the pictures and the other things that I used on the page. But that's it. That's my layout. Be sure to check all the other gals out doing How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. There is loads of links down there below. And if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who are, thank you so very much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.